Hey, this is Chris with Arkansas Extreme Outdoors. Today I'm here with Jason and Susan at Damascus Road Cowboy Church in Damascus, Arkansas. And we're here to do Dutch oven competition. And we're cooking chicken pot pie, fried potatoes with apples and onion, and a chocolate cherry cream cheese cobbler. Hi guys, it's Chris with Arkansas Extreme Outdoors. I got Jason with me and Susan behind the camera. We're fixing to make some fried potatoes with some apples in it, and I've got a fire going, and got to have the food ready by 5 o'clock. So we got a little bit of work to do. We're going to do chicken pot pie, fried potatoes, and a chocolate cherry cobbler. All right, we're fixing to start making chicken pot pie. Fixing to get all the ingredients together and mix it all up. Alright guys, fixing to add the chicken to our chicken pot pie. And get that all stirred up here in just a second. Alright.
That looks wonderful.
We're gonna get that ready to go. Alright. Cherry cobbler with cream cheese. We're gonna put the cherries in the bottom, then we're gonna pour the cake mix on top, and then we're gonna add a little sugar to it and cream cheese, and that's basically all we do. And some Sprite.
Yeah, I was gonna say your lemon lime's got to go in there.
And
Make
that's
it.
it.
Awesome,
So,
awesome. Let's get to working.
One. And we're just gonna basically sprinkle it on there. I'm gonna do one right now, and then hang on. And this is basically cream cheese.
You always quit buying toys, don't you see? You can't buy toys and build a barn. You got to build a barn.
Yeah, we need a barn.
In there.
Oh, there's a running horse. I thought it was that.
I think it's the same acronym. Yeah. I think it's a steak. Steak. Two.
This is gonna be a double batch. Alright, now we put that butter on there.
Scared of it as I was.
Oh, I can't even get the down one.
I mean, don't get out of it. She wasn't afraid of it.
And I'm gonna actually stir this one up a little bit since it's 2 cake mixes. A little bit. And then that's basically it. We're gonna build a fire and put it over there, and then right before it's done, I'm gonna put the rest of that cream cheese over the top of it. All right, hey guys, fixing to show you what we've been cooking all day. It's got a chicken pot pie. It's starting to get ready. We're gonna add some biscuits to it here in a little bit. And we'll come over here and see what our fried potatoes are looking like. We'll get a little stir on them. Oh yeah, they get me. All right, we'll be back shortly.
Cowboy Church down around Pine Bluff. Chris come
Chicken
up
pot
last.
pie.
Oh my goodness! Ooh, now my wife said if there's Anyway, she would love to have a bowl of that. She's not gonna be here,
Well, we can do it.
but she sure would like a bowl of that. I told
Then
her
we
about
got a chocolate cherry cream cheese cobbler.
it. That's a mouthful. Oh my! What is it again?
Chocolate cherry cream cheese.
Wow, cool. And what's y'all side dish?
We got a side dish.
Now I like the
These are trash can taters.
the originality there.
And
Trash can
they got
taters.
a little fling to them. They got apples in it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, cool.
So that's a newbie. We'll see how it tastes. They
Cool
like
deal,
it or
Chris.
they won't.
Hey, good deal. She'll have a place for you.
All right, guys, it's time to start showing out. They're gonna start coming by, and they got the main dish, side dish, and dessert. So we got 3 different chances, and it ended up being about 8 or 9 different groups here. But just stick with us, and we're gonna open them lids up here in a minute and show you what we got and see how everybody likes it. Hang tight.
Chicken pot pie.
Oh, sir, yes, sir. Just if you, yeah, just a little piece for Miss Shirley and a little piece for me. I haven't decided which plate's mine, which one first. Just put it on there and I'll cut it. You know.
That is a summer sausage championship.
where at?
Redfield.
Redfield.
Down between Little Rock and
Oh, my goodness.
Pine Bluff.
How's that?
I've got some. Just a tiny bit.
This is
Let me know about them potatoes. They got apples in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's a new.
Chocolate
new.
cherry cobbler.
You are my guinea pig on the potatoes today.
I've been
Chicken
called-
pot pie?
I've been called worse.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a white chocolate cherry cream cheese. Come on in here. Get this on. Whoa. Put me a little dessert right there.
Chocolate cherry cobbler with cream cheese.
Chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie. Let me go. All right. Thank you. Thank you. They didn't give you a sideboard? Oh, they did. We got fried potatoes with apples in
I'll
it.
put it on top of
Then we got chicken pot pie right here.
and then that's
Chocolate cherry cobbler.
Oh, yeah. Put right there. On the dessert? All right. You want some of this?
I ain't gonna remember. I'm just gonna eat it all. What is this?
You can come back around. This is potatoes with apple in them.
With 25, boy, this one was close. This was close. One vote separated first and second on this one. But the winner is with 25 votes, the Old Timers.
You fit in good, Jeff.
All right, they wanted to donate their prizes back. Golden Rose. All right, now overall, you're gonna get these 2 coolers, and there's also a special gift inside of each one of them. So we're gonna let you, we'll announce the winners, and y'all see what you get there. So overall winners with 84 votes, Golden Rose.
Cried and I cried, love unsatisfied. Then you came along, oh Lord, now we walk side by side. Was it Jesus came into my heart and saved me? I could see the changes right away.